prepare hexathiourea plumbous nitrate. Now for this hexathiourea plumbous nitrate, we require lead nitrate 3 gram and thiourea 4.5 gram. Then we have to dissolve 3 gram lead nitrate in 10 cm cube of hot water and 4.5 gram thiourea in 15 cm cube of hot water. Now see how we are doing this experiment. This is 3 gram lead nitrate. It is white colored, and this is 4.5 gram thiourea. Now we have to add hot water. 10 gram hot water in lead nitrate solution. 10 ml hot water. ml hot water in lead nitrate. Then in thiourea we have to add 15 ml hot water. We have to dissolve lead nitrate and thiourea in this in hot water. Check till it is getting completely dissolved. Lead nitrate is crystalline. By stirring, you can dissolve it. Make sure that all crystals are dissolved. Then dissolve thiourea. In hot distilled water 50 ml. Stir till it is dissolved. It gets completely dissolved. We should get clear solution. Once we get clear solution, then we have to mix these two solutions, lead nitrate and thiourea. Mix these two solutions. Then next step, boil this mixed solution for 2 minutes on burner, using burner. Boil for 2 minutes. Count 2 minutes after boiling start. बॉइलिंग स्टार्ट झाल्यानंतर 2 मिनिट काउंट करायचे. 2 मिनिट बॉईल करायचं. फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. We are getting the white precipitate. we are getting white crystals. This is very simple preparation. Next step is you have to add 25 ml of distilled water containing 5 ml of 1 normal HNO3. Now this product is amorphous in nature. We have to get crystals, and for that purpose we have to add 25 ml water containing 5 ml of 1 normal HNO3. So after boiling for 2 minutes, remove it and then take it on the glass top, and you have to add 25 ml distilled water containing 5 ml of 1 normal HNO3. Now here we are getting the product which is amorphous. To get crystalline nature, crystalline product, we have to add 25 ml distilled water containing 5 ml of 1 normal HNO3. We will add this distilled water. Now see, this beaker contains 25 cm cube distilled water containing 5 cm cube 1 normal HNO3. Now this distilled water we have to add in the mixture that we have boiled earlier. Now we will add this in this particular mixture. This is 25 cm cube distilled water containing 5 cm cube 1 normal HNO3. This preparation which we have prepared, it is amorphous in nature. So to get crystals, we have to add this distilled water containing HNO3. We will add slowly with constant stirring. The amorphous precipitate will get converted into crystalline solids. Now the addition is complete, and you can see that the crystals, they are formed. The crystals are not bigger crystals, but the product which is obtained now, it is crystalline. Amorphous product is converted into crystalline product. Now when the crystalline product we get, it is easy to filter and easy to dry. So this is the preparation of hexathiourea plumbus 2 nitrate. This is the white colored precipitate which is formed. This is our preparation. This is the final product, that is hexathiourea plumbus 2 nitrate that we have prepared just now. See, you can see that this PPT, it is crystalline in nature, white crystalline in nature. This is the actual product that we have prepared. This is the actual product that we have prepared. So this is the preparation. Now we have to filter this product, we have to dry this product, and we have to record the yield of the product, and then do the required calculation. And here we complete this preparation. You can see this is the product, white colored crystalline product. Final product of our inorganic preparation, hexathiourea plumbus 2 nitrate. This is the dry product, and you have to weigh this product, and this will be the practical yield and then do the calculation. We have prepared hexathiourea plumbus 2 nitrate. Now we will see the calculation part. Weight of the product, that is practical yield of the product, that is W gram. It is 3.542 gram. So this is the weight we have recorded, weight of the product. Now for this particular preparation, the reaction is lead nitrate PbNO3 twice combines with thiourea to give hexathiourea plumbus 2 nitrate complex. Here Pb is the central metal ion and thiourea is the ligand. Now from this reaction we can write the equation, and that we use for calculating the theoretical yield and percentage practical yield. Now theoretical yield, first calculation, that is theoretical yield. From above reaction we can see that here 1 mole of PbNO3 twice lead nitrate is equivalent to 1 mole of this particular complex. So we will write here 1 mole of PbNO3 twice is it is equivalent to 1 mole of hexathiourea plumbus 2 nitrate. Now 1 mole of PbNO3 twice means 331.2 gram, and 1 mole of this complex means 787.62 gram. We have taken 3 gram of lead nitrate for the preparation. So 3 gram of lead nitrate will give you 787.62 into 3 divided by 331.2, that is 7.13 gram of the complex. So this is the theoretical yield. This is the theoretical yield which is calculated by using the equation or by using this particular reaction. Now what is percentage practical yield? How it is calculated? Now when 7.13 gram of complex is obtained, means the yield of the complex is 100%. When W gram of complex is obtained, what is the yield of the product? So W gram of complex is equal to W into 100 divided by 7.134. So we write here W is 3.542 into 100 divided by 7.134, and the answer obtained is 49.64%. 49.64%. So this is percentage practical yield of the product. Now what we have to write in the result? Practical yield of the product W gram, that is 3.542. Theoretical yield of the product 7.134 gram, and percentage practical yield of the product is 49.64%. So this is all about the calculation for this inorganic preparation hexathiourea plumbus 2 nitrate.